Welcome back guys. So in this video I'll be talking about the open beta testing of EtherSS2 PS2 Android emulator. As you can see, Talred posted this on EtherSS2 subreddit page. It's their Discord link quoting Talred. The open testing sign up link will be posted here when it is available. This link will be available on 4th December 2021. Let me just open the Discord page. Yeah, this is the open testing Discord page. Again quoting Talred. This channel will contain the link to the open testing sign up page once it opens. It is not available yet. Assuming no delays, this is planned to be the weekend of December 4. Now guys, I'm not sure if on that day we'll get access to the build as well. The build will be available only on the Play Store. Anyways, do check this page on December 4th. The sign up link should show up here. Now on their Discord page, you can also find new gameplay videos. Just go to this section here, media. As you can see, some alpha testers are uploading new gameplay videos. I don't want to plagiarize the content, so I would suggest you to just check out the page here. Some YouTube links are also given here. It's very important for you to know the source. Some people were uploading fake gameplay videos, but these are genuine videos. Burnout running on EtherSS2. Also, do read the rules. No discussion of piracy. Downloading games, ROMs or BIOS is permitted here. Treat everyone with respect. Also, there's a FAQ section. This FAQ is also available on the GitHub page, but it's good to see here. Do read the entire FAQ. As you can see, how to improve performance. Talred has explained it in detail. Then we have the updates page. Here updates will be posted. As you can see, Talred posted the per game setting update. Reddit link is given here. So guys, I'll end the short video here. If you want to stay up to date with EtherSS2 emulator, join the Discord page. I'll give its link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.